But I wonder what you make of the conglomeration of incremental headlines regarding Amazon last couple of weeks.
Look, I think, first we saw the Whole Foods acquisition. Now we're seeing this potential tie-up with Dish, and then, wine partnerships coming in. I think it's pretty obvious that we're going to have wireless wines in the very near future, and that's going to be something we all want. But honestly, sorry, I'm just sort of messing around. Honestly, Amazon is trying to get a bunch of different partnerships going because they want to be this one-stop shop for everything. Whether it's getting your internet or buying, sort of private label wines or shirts or diapers. At one point, like the idea is, if you're a Prime customer, you have access to any number of different things, and you can get it in 2 days or less. And they want to keep expanding that coterie of options for people who actually come to Amazon on a regular basis.
Yeah. Rahul, whether it's wine or Dish, of course, the Nike deal, Whole Foods, by the way, Whole Foods shares back to the 42 offer level. Prime Day is coming up. Lots of crazy rumors about other things that people think they will one day buy. What's important to keep in mind?
Well, I think, first of all, I don't know if you knew this, but one of the biggest movers of wine in the world is Costco. And so for Amazon to get into wine, it's kind of an interesting, thing for them to do. The fact that they're going to brand it with their own brand is interesting. So I think they'll do really well. But the Dish thing is what caught my attention. Rather than Dish going down the same path of trying to partner with a telecom to make their, to deal with their dwindling cable business, going to Amazon is absolutely the right thing to do. I think it would put Dish in a stratospheric level compared to DirecTV and AT&T. I think the level of innovation that Amazon brings with drone delivery, Internet of Things, that sort of thing would be great. But I don't see a deal working out between them unless it's an outright acquisition and Amazon takes the lead.
So I'm still more interested in the wine story. Sorry to change it from Dish, Mike. It starts at $20, which is kind of high. A red blend then goes for $30, and then another Pinot Noir for $40. This doesn't seem like Amazon's style of going mass market and undercutting people on prices. We read into every single Amazon move to try to figure out just how big the ambitions are and how many industries and different players should be scared by it. How would you characterize this one?
Yeah, it's definitely not $2 Chuck from Trader Joe's, but I'm not exactly a wine guy, so I think it's kind of mid-tier-ish. It's not the crazy $100 bottles. But look, I think starting at the premium or premium-ish price for Amazon or Amazon Prime customers, and then seeing if they can go down lower and sort of like getting lower margins out of what people will actually buy for wine sounds sort of like them testing the waters and seeing if people will actually buy this stuff from Amazon or if they're a little too picky to see it there. So I think it's probably just a starting point, and then if they figure out, okay, this makes sense for our business and people actually want it, then they'll probably move down market.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.